Hello everyone. Let's calculate today how many stitches do we need, for example, for baby blanket. You can do the same calculation if you need to find out how many stitches you need for your jumper, for your cardigan, for your blouse, or for anything else. So I've got this sample, and you just lay it flat, push it down nicely, and let's take our measuring tape and maybe start checking how many stitches in 10 centimeters. You can pull it and push it, move it around, find the exact number of stitches. So I will say that this is 10 centimeters, 3, 3, 3 and 1, 13 stitches. What do I do next? I will take a little notebook and I wrote it down, 10 centimeters, 13 stitches. And if I want 150 centimeters blanket, how many stitches do I need? It's easier to calculate in centimeters. It will give you more precise figure. So then you do butterfly effect. It goes like this. $150 times 13 equals 10 times, for example, A. We need to figure out how many A stitches we need. So this is just simple math. If you don't like doing math, just follow and follow me. This A will be 150 times 13 divided by 10. 195. But then remember that you need to add 2 stitches on side. Plus this number should be multiples by 3. If I want to check either it's multiples by 3, you can use calculator, or I can see that this is, you just add those numbers, 1 plus 9 plus 5, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So this is fine, plus 2 total number stitches for this amount of, for 150 centimeters blanket, I need 197 stitches. If I want to make 100 centimeter, just like 1 meter, I will use 100 times 13 equals times 10 times A. Basically I did exactly the same, but I skipped this part. I just followed this rule. A will be 100 times 13 divided by 10. It will be 10, 10, 130. Either it's divisible by 3 or not. No, it's not divisible by 3, so we need to find the approximate number that will be divisible by 3. It will be 129. Then we plus 2. It will be 131 stitches for 100 centimeter blanket. Hope this helps, and thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you for now. Bye.